Ever thought about mining cryptocurrency right from your phone? Welcome to the future with Cowcoin, a new digital currency that you can mine for free on your smartphone. Cowcoin is part of the Cow network, a layer 2 solution based on Bitcoin, with an ambitious goal to promote socio-economic equality using artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. As the world's first mobile computational currency, Cow network opens the door to the cryptocurrency revolution, allowing anyone with a smartphone to join. The total issuance of Cowcoin is a whopping 5 billion, all ripe for the picking by global users. But hurry. During this early and rapid development stage, the acquisition rate of Cowcoins is at its peak. As the Cowcoin brand grows, the acquisition rate will gradually decrease. Now you're probably wondering, how can I start earning Cowcoins? Getting started with Cow network is a breeze. The first step is as simple as clicking on the invitation link provided in the description below. This link will whisk you away to the Cow network website. Now, it's time to establish your identity. Enter your email address and create a password that's between 6 and 15 characters long. Make sure to exclude the special character such as an ATI to ensure your password is as acceptable and strong as a bull. Next, you'll see a slider verification. Drag this from left to right until it turns green. This is to confirm you're not a robot. We love our machines, but Cow network is a community for people. Finally, click the sign up button to complete the registration process. You've just taken a significant step towards earning Cowcoins, but we're not done yet. After signing up, you'll be redirected to the login page. Here, enter the same email address and password you used during sign up and click on the login button. Voila, you're in. And now, for the most exciting part. Once every 24 hours, click on the start button. This simple action will set you on your journey to earning 1 Cowcoin per hour. And just like that, you're all set to start earning Cowcoins. Now that you're all set up, let's dive into how you can start accumulating Cowcoins. The process is straightforward and designed to be accessible to everyone. Here's how it works. Once you're logged into your Cow network account, you'll find a start button. This is your key to earning Cowcoins. Click on this button once every 24 hours. By doing so, you're essentially starting the mining process. From this point forward, you'll be earning 1 Cowcoin per hour. Yes, you heard that right. 1 Cowcoin per hour, just for clicking a button. It's as simple as that. There's no need for complex mining rigs or expensive hardware. Your smartphone is all you need to participate in the cryptocurrency revolution. So don't forget to click that start button daily. Every click brings you closer to your financial freedom. Remember, every coin counts. Want to maximize your Cowcoin experience? Well, you're in the right place. You can enhance your journey with Cowcoin by staying connected and involved. Firstly, consider following Cow network on Twitter. This way, you'll be privy to real-time updates, news and developments right from the source. Next, be sure to join the Cow network Telegram channel. This is a fantastic place to connect with like-minded individuals, share insights, and ask questions. It's a community that's eager to help you navigate the world of Cowcoin. And don't forget, there's power in numbers. Inviting your friends to join the network not only builds a stronger community, but also boosts your earnings. Every friend you bring on board increases your hourly Cowcoin rate. Remember, these tasks aren't mandatory but highly recommended. Active participation will ensure you get the most out of your Cow network experience. Congratulations on embarking on your Cowcoin journey. If you found this guide helpful, don't hesitate to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. New to Cow network? Register using the invitation link in the description. Already a user? Join our Telegram channel for real-time updates. Stay tuned for more exciting content on empowering your pocket. Unleash crypto wealth with your smartphone. Until next time, happy investing.